Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's videos, we are going to build a simple tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript all in a few minutes. This is a great project if you are new to web development and to want to practice working with basic HTML, CSS and a bit of JavaScript logic. Let's jump right now. First step, start with the HTML structure. This is will be the our game board. We will have to make it a 3 into 3 grid using divs. Each div will have a class, a cell, a data attribute to track its position. This is a very basic HTML setup with the 9 divs inside a container to represent a tic-tac-toe board. Next, let's add a game logic with the JavaScript. We will track the current player handle, player clicks and check for a winner after every move. We will add some cell, some cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 we add. We put here the winners and here the also some details like we are used a for loop for winners and same as it is as how you will work status display for who winner is win, same as it is. Next, continue. Now let's try to check our function is properly work. Oh shit, our CSS is not completely. Now let's move on the styling with the CSS. In a body font family I have a sense and height 100 VH, background color white, adds it is all are and H1 में हम ये यूज़ करेंगे margin font size same as it is game board में grid template repeat and cell width 120 height same as it is हम color background रखेंगे सेम एज इट इज़ सेल डॉट होवर इफेक्ट लगा देंगे सेल एक्स में कलरिंग अलग है एक्स सेल ज़ीरो में कलरिंग डिफरेंट रेड एंड सेम एज इट गेम इन्फो में हम अपना ऐड करेंगे कलर टेक्स्ट एंड दैट द डन जस्ट अ फ्यू मिनट्स we build a simple tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and play around with the add a reset button or improve the design. If you found the tutorial helpful, to share, to give the thumbs up and subscribe to channel for a new more web development tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for it. AK Coders.